Hello everyone. In today's video we're gonna replace the sway bar link in this 2012 Chevy Sonic, and I'm gonna start removing the tire. Okay, the sway bar is this one here, and we're gonna replace this one because, as you can see here, the rubber is already in bad condition, and that's why we have to replace the part. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is apply some WD-40 to make the process easier. I have my wrench here. It's an 18 millimeters, and this is the one that I'm gonna use to lose this nut. But as soon as I start to do that, most likely this part of the joint is gonna tend to spin. So I'm gonna hold it there with these Torx, which is the measure is the T40. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is I will put my wrench, I will put my Torx and hold it with a ratchet and then loose the nut. Now I'm gonna use my ratchet wrench. And now I'm going to repeat the same process in the lower joint. I'm going to place my wrench, now my Torx, and I'm going to try to lose the nut. Something funny just happened. Okay, this is the thing. When I was trying to lose the nut, turns out like the part has like a lot of rust, and then my Torx actually damaged the cavity where it goes in. So now it's like all rounded. It's not gonna work like using the Torx, so I need to now find some other alternative to get loose this nut. So the only option that I have at the moment, I feel, is just my vice grips, and then I'm gonna place them here and see if this can hold the joint in order to be able to lose the nut. it worked. The knot's still pretty tight, but at least it's loose, and seems like I'm gonna be able to remove it with no big problems, hopefully. Here we can see how bad was the sway bar. It just detached from the joint. Now we're gonna install the new sway bar. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the lower joint. And with this, we pretty much finished. We replaced the sway bar. We already tied the upper joint and the lower one as well, and that's pretty much it. The same process goes for the opposite side of the car, and well, hopefully this video will be useful for you guys. If that's the case, I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.